What's up, YouTube? We have an SRT Grand Cherokee, and someone or another shop put this exhaust on. Average person today isn't putting their exhaust on the car. They usually take it someplace and have it installed. Well, this installer definitely had some issues. Problem is that this exhaust system was so far back, it was hitting against the tire, right? And it actually popped the clip out. So now I'm getting the system back, and you can still see it's hitting the supports on the fender liner. So this side is close. I'd like it to be a little bit further up, so I'm working in sections here. So here's the mistakes. The system's probably not designed to have a lot of tolerances where you can make a mistake. So I'm going to tell you, for one, this pipe here, this is welded in wrong. This hanger needs to be forward. You see it's pulling the exhaust system forward. This is not the installer's problem. He should have corrected it when he installed it. You could just bang this hanger back so it's straight up and down, so it's not pulling on the exhaust system. All right. Same thing here. Now this installer could have loosened this and slid this back and got this hanger so it's straight up and down. So we have issues with the product and installation right here already. So then we're going to go back past the resonators. They had these slammed all the way up, okay, thinking that they had tolerance issues that they could get away with. That was wrong. So I have this slid back a ½ inch on both sides. You can see where I'm banging on it to get it to go back, banging on it here. So this side I have another about ½ inch to try and gain more access back here, but then if you pay attention, they never hook this back up either. Ground strap. This hanger, the further I go back, the further it pulls on the exhaust. This is product problems right here with the hangers yet again. So now I'm gonna go to this side and maybe just leave that. That turbulence in the air may hit that. So I may have to just slide this back a little bit more. But I think I'm good here and here. What I'm gonna do is try and move the system back here. Now you look at this hanger, it's this way towards the front of the car, right? So now when I go to slide the muffler back to gain more clearance, that hanger is gonna start pulling in the wrong direction. Same thing this, I need to go back further, and that hanger is already out of kilter. And then once I've adjusted 1, 2, 3. Now I got to go back and see if the tips will go in so they don't look like wheelie bars when I'm finished. Pro, not a pro. Thanks for watching.